Wait. So, uh, hello everyone. This is Dinesh Sharma from Raise the Bar with DS, and today is Saturday and it's our reading day. And all my students will be given 10 minutes to read all these words up to 13 lettered words. So first, let's start with Nishant. Over to
Yes,
you, Nishant.
yes, sir. Reapportionment, retroperitoneal, reaccreditation, reindustrialize, resurrectionist, resystematizing, restrictionism, restrictionist, restrictiveness, responsibleness, re-strengthening, retroactivities, retransmission, retinoblastomas, retentiveness, retroreflection, retroreflectors, retrospectively, retrogradation, revalorization, reversibilities, revivification, revitalization, revisualization, revolutionizers, revolutionizing, revolutionaries, revolutionary, reincorporation, reimplantation, rehospitalizing, rehabilitation, rejuvenating, reinstallation, reinvestigating, reintroduction, remythologizing, removable nashes, remonstratively, remonetization, remorseless nashes, remobilizations, renationalizing, remediabilities, rememberability, remanufacturing, rematerializing, relinquishment, religiousnesses, repairabilities, re, repetitiousnesses, reorganizations, reorchestration, reposefulness, repolarization, replicabilities, reproducibility, reproductionist, republicanizing, representative, representations, repristinations, reprivatization, reproachfulness, repulsivenesses, requisitenesses, re-registrations, reservationist, resentfulness, rejectabilities, resourcefulness, re-specialized, re-specializes, receptableness, re-socialization, resistivenesses, resistibilities, re-acclimatizing, reactionarism, reforestation, reasonabilities, recapitulations, recalcitrancy, recanalizations, recallabilities, reauthorization, reconfiguration, reconfirmation, reconnaissance, reconsolidating, responsibility, representative, representation, recommendation, reconciliation, reconstruction, reorganization, reconnaissance, redistribution, reconstructive, respectability, recapitulation, retinoblastoma, repolarization, retroreflector, restrictionism, rejuvenescence, redintegrating, redintegrative, redescriptions, redevelopments, redistributing, redistributions, redistributive, redispositions, rediscountable, reducibilities, reductionistic, reduplications, re-embroidering, re-encountering, re-establishing, re-examinations, refrigerations, refractometers, refractometers, refrangibility, reformulations, reforestation, re-explorations, re-experiencing, referentiality, reflectorizing, reflectometers, reflectivities, reflectiveness, regressivities, regularizations, refurbishments, regardlessness, regenerateness, regimentation, recapitulating, recapitalizing, rebroadcasting, recalcitrancy, recanalization, recalibrations, recalculations, reattribution, reaggregation, rebelliousnesses, reaggregations, reaffirmations, redeablenesses, reactionaries, reactiveness, reacclimatizes, reaccelerating, reacquisitions, rearticulating, reasonablenesses, reapportioning, reapplications, reappointments, rearrangements, reconstructor, reconstructing, recontaminated, recontaminates, recoverability, reconfirmation, reconverting, reconciliating, reconciliation, reconstituting, reconstitution, reconsolidates, reconsolidated, reconciliatory, reconcilement, recomputations, reconcentrated, reconcentrates, revolutionary, retrospective, reinforcement, revolutionize, reincarnation, reprehensible, recombination, recrimination, reprographic, reverberation, republication, reciprocation, reincorporate, reflectometer, reverberatory, reflectometer, resegregation, retrogression, recrystallize, reconsolidate, revolutionist, reduplication, renationalize, reverberative, republicanism, reprographies, reprographers, reproductive, uh, reprogramming, reproducibilities, reprogramming, reproducible, reproductions, reprovision, reproachfully, reproachingly, repristinated, repristinates, reprivatizing, repressionist, repressurized, repressurized, representable, reprehension, reprehensibly, repossessions, repopulations, repopularized, repopularizes, repositioning, reposefulness, reportedly, replic- replicability, replantations, replenishments, replenishes, replenishable, repeatability, repatriations, repayability, repercussions, reintenting, reorientation, reappropriations, reoccurrence, reorchestrate, renouncements, rentabilities, renunciation, resensitizing, resentfulness, resegregating, resectabilities, requisitions, re-regulations, re-registering, requisiteness, repulsiveness, repunctuation, resolidifying, resocializing, resourcefully, respirometers, respirometric, resistibilities, resistiveness, resistivities, residentially, resettlements, renaturations, rendezvousing, re-encountering, renegotiating, renegotiation, renominations, remonstrators, remonstrative, remonstrating, relationship, respectively, registration, reproduction, recreational, reproductive, regeneration,
Stop, stop, stop,
refrigerator,
stop, stop. Okay, Nishan, thank you.